Good afternoon, grade 9, grade 8. How are you doing? You are almost grade 9. How are you doing? Hope you are fine and staying safe at home. Please, I want all of you to open page 489. More exercises on chapter 7. Okay, as I said yesterday that I'm going to revise factoring this special kind of quadratic equations, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, when I have a coefficient for x squared. This kind of equations is easy and long in the same time. You have to be ready to solve it. You have to get enough space to answer each question. Okay, girls? Let's see. Let's go fast to page 481. Yes, this one. Outer and inner, you remember it? The first number here next to x, which is coefficient of x here, and the coefficient of x here is product of a x squared. So a here, the first number next to x and the first number next to x here, coefficients of x, are the products of a, that are highlighted in red, are the products of a. Highlighted in green are the products of c. Outer, sum of outer and inner products. I will not just add, I will multiply the outer and multiply the inner and add them together. How I'm going to do this? I'm going to do this by using a table. Factors of A, factors of C, outer plus inner products. Factors of 2, which is A, factors of 12, which is C, outer plus inner products. And I will keep trying. 1, factors of 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I will keep fixing 1 and 2. And what I will do for 12, I will do 1 multiply 12, and I will change the places. 12 multiply 1. Then 2 multiply 6. Then 6 multiply 2. Then 3 multiply 4. Then 4 multiply 3. I will keep changing the places of the factors of 12, factors of C, till I get the correct outer and inner products. I will fix factors of 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I will keep it fixed. And I will change the places of factors of 12. 1 and 12, 12 and 1, 2 and 6, 6 and 2, 3 and 4, 4 and 3. Okay, girls? Then, outer plus inner products. 1 and 12 plus 1 multiplied by 12 plus 1 multiplied by 2. And I will keep trying till I got the inner plus outer products that will give me the middle term here. What if I have a negative middle term? What I'm going to do? I will give a negative sign to the factors of 8. For example, here I have negative 14 and 8. So I will give a negative sign to both of the factors of 8. Why? Because when I multiply two numbers with a negative sign, they will give me a positive product. And when I add the two numbers, they will give me a negative sum. So I will give a negative sign to both of the two factors, and I will change their places. Again, what if I have a negative middle term and a positive c? What if I have a negative b and a positive c? If I have a negative b and a positive c, I will give all the factors a negative sign. I will give all the factors a negative sign, and I will change their places. Why I will give them a negative sign? Because multiplying two negative numbers will give me a positive number, and adding two negative numbers will give me a negative sum. So put it in your consideration that if I have a negative b and a positive c, I will give a negative sign to all of the factors of c. Next, if I have a negative c, I have here the opposite, a negative c and a positive b. What I'm going to do? I will give a negative sign to one of the factors only, one only of the factors. So I have here negative 2, so I will write first 1 multiplied by negative 2. I will write the first choice here, 1 and negative 2. I have here negative 2, so I will start by negative 2. 1 multiplied by negative 2. And I will change the signs first. I will not change the places. I will change the signs first. 1 and negative 2. So then I will change the signs. Negative 1 and 2. Then I will change the places. 2 and negative 1. Then I will change the places of the first choice here. Negative 2 and 1. So in this case, I'm going to change the signs first. In this case, I'm going to change the signs first. I gave here 1 and negative 2. I gave here the negative sign to 2. Then I will give the negative sign to 1. So I will change first the signs. After changing the signs, I will change the places. Okay? The places of the two choices. The place of this one and the places of this one, inverse. Okay? Let's start to answer together page 489. Okay, this one. N, X, whatever the variable that I have, no problem, I will solve it. A space here. Okay. Okay. I'm preparing myself because I want a space. Okay. I will start to draw my table. I will write it, I will draw it here and do my work here. I will start by number 28, 2x squared, okay, plus 11x plus 5. So I will give me space here. Here I'm going to write factors of 2. Then factors of 5. Then outer plus inner products. Don't forget products. Okay. Next. Factors of 2. Please, girls, I want interaction. So please unmute your mic and start to interact with me. Tala and Mais, come on. What I will write under factors of 2?
1 times 2.
Yes, excellent. 1 times 2. And what else?
2 times 1.
No, I said I will keep it fixed. 1 times 2 or
1 times 2.
okay?
Okay.
Okay. What about the 5? Factors of 5, which is C here.
1 plus 5.
Let me focus on this part here so you will, you see it, girls, down?
Yes.
Okay. 5. Factors of 5. 1 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 1.
1.
In this case, Stella, I will change the places. Factors of A, which is factors of 2, I will keep it fixed. Okay? Changing the places will be for factors of C. Okay? Let's try the inner and the outer. Inner and, sorry, outer and inner. Okay. Outer, 5 multiply
1 and 5.
5 plus
1 times
inner,
5 plus
2 multiply 1
2.
2, which is equal to 7. Is 7 is the middle term? What is the middle term here, Tala?
11.
11. Okay, so 7 is not this one. So I will not use it. It is wrong. I will not use it. Okay. So next, let's try this one. This is wrong. I will not use it. Okay. Let's try the inner and the outer here. Okay.
1 times 5. 5.
1 month outer is 1. What is the outer? 1. Multiply
And 1.
What is the inner?
1.
Okay, what is the inner?
10.
10. Okay, 1 plus 10 is?
11.
11. What is the middle term that I have here?
11.
11. So this is the correct one that I will use. This is the correct one that I will use. Okay? How I will use it? Okay. Here I have X and here I have X, right?
Yes.
Factors of 2, which is 2x. 1, I will write here 1, and I will write here 2.
1. 2.
No, 2. I will take 1 multiplied by 2. I will take 1 multiplied by 2. Factors of 2, or let me say factors of 2x squared. So it will be 1x and 2x, okay? Because I will choose 1 and 2. So I will put here 1 and I will put here 2. Then I will choose 5 and 1. I will take the same order. I will put here plus 5, and here I will take plus 1. So I have here the two factors are x plus 5 and 2x plus 1. Again, girls, the important and the a little bit complicated part here is to distribute the factors correctly in the brackets. To distribute the factors correctly in the brackets. Factors of 2. 2 is the coefficient of x squared, okay? So I have here 1x and 2x, okay? Factors of 2, 2 what? 2x squared. So I will choose 1 multiplied by 2. So it is 1x and 2x. Okay? It is 1x and 2x. It is 1x and 2x. Okay? So when I open the brackets, I will write 1x, and the other bracket, I will write 2x. What about the 5 and the 1? I will write them in the same order. 5, I will write it in the first bracket, and 1, I will write it in the second bracket. So now when I factored this problem, I got here this answer. X plus 5 and 2x plus 1. Okay, girls? Let's try to do the other one. Okay. I have here. Now I will do number 29. And please help me, okay? What I will write here first, May Santala, please tell me what I am going to write here. Factors of what?
3.
Factors of 3. Okay. What I will write in the middle? In the middle, factors of what?
21.
Excellent. And here I will write what?
Outer and inner.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Here I have. What are the factors of 3 that I'm going to use?
1 times 3.
Yes.
And 1 times 3.
Yes. Okay. Here. Factors of 21. What are the factors of 21 that I'm going to use?
1 times 21.
Yes.
21 times 1.
Yes.
7 times 3.
1 times 3. I have what else?
7 times 3.
Okay, let me start by 3 times 7 first.
Okay.
Then
7 times 3.
okay. 7 times 3. Okay. What is the middle term that I want to reach? 16. I want to reach 16. Okay, girls? I want to reach 16. Okay. Outer and inner. Outer, inner. Okay. What is the outer and inner? Girls,
21 plus 4.
Save our time.
That was 3.
Save our time. 21 and 3 will not give me 16, right? Because
Yes.
I don't have a negative sign here. If I have a negative sign here, maybe subtracting will help me, right? I must use my mind. I must use mental math and my mind to help me answer faster. I will start to do outer and inner. Okay, 21 is the outer. The inner is 3. 21 plus 3 will be 24. Okay, 21 plus 3 is equal to 24. Here I did, yes, a correct step. But I know that there is no a negative sign. So why I will use 21? Because 21, of course, will not give me any 16 because 21 is more than 16. So adding any number to 21 will not give me, of course, 16. Again, in the next one, the outer is 1 and the inner, I will multiply 21 by 3, which will give me a greater number than 16. So to save my time, don't check the second one because of course it will be wrong. Go for the third one. 1 multiplied by 7, the outer is 7. 3 multiplied by 3, the inner is what, Tala?
9.
9. 7 plus 9 is what?
16.
16. You see, Tala? I have to answer faster. It's good to do all the steps. It's good to do all the steps. No problem. If you want to do all the steps, do all the steps. But I want to give you a tips that will make your life easier and faster in solving math. I find here 21. Did I find any negative sign so I can make 21 less? No, I didn't find. So skip this step. I want to search for a number that will give me 16 easier. So now I will use this package 1 and 3 and 3 and 7. This one. I will use this one. This is the correct one. Let me check this one. Okay?
Okay.
Don't forget that factors of 3 are coefficients of x. This will be for x, and this will be also for x. Don't forget. Can you tell me, Tala, how I will write it? I will do like this. I will do like this, then I will do like this. What are the variables? I have n. I will not use x. I have n. Okay. What I will write next to n here?
1.
1. What I will write next to n here?
3.
Excellent. Excellent. The other numbers, 3 and 7. What I will write here?
3.
Yeah. Plus 3. What I will write here?
7.
Yes, excellent. Excellent, Tala. Plus 7. So here I got the 2 factors. And here is the answer for this one. I can write 1n or n only. And it's better to write n only. N plus 3 and 3n plus 7. Where is mice? Mice, why are you not interacting today? Okay. Let's solve this one. Okay. I want to solve number 30. Number 30, yes, here it is. Okay, so I hope I will hear my sound or voice or whatever I want to hear from mice. Now I will answer this one. 5y squared minus 7y minus 6. Okay, so what I will write here, Tala?
Factors of 5.
Factors of 5. Excellent. And in the middle one?
Factors of 6.
Negative 6. Okay.
Yes, negative 6.
Okay. And here outer?
And outer and inner.
Okay.
Products.
Okay. Okay. Just give me 1 minute, please, Tala. Okay. Okay. Then, factors of 5. Don't forget that I have here negative. I have negative and negative. Okay? So when I have negative and negative, I will put a negative sign to one of the factors. Okay, one of the factors. So I will write 1 multiply 5. I will write it a lot because we're going to use it a lot. Okay. Okay, here. I have, it is negative 6. So I will start by 1 multiplied by negative 6. Okay, and I will start by changing the signs.
Negative 6
1.
times 1.
No, not the places, the signs. Okay. And 6. And now I will change the places. 6 and negative 1. And the place of the first one, which is negative 6 and 1. You see, Tala, I changed the place of 6 and negative 1 crisscross. Okay, 6 and negative 1. Now I will put negative 6 and 1, the first choice, negative 6 and 1. Now I will take 6 also will give me 2 and 3. So I will choose negative 2 multiplied by 3. And also I can take 2 and negative 3. Right?
Yes.
I will keep trying. I want this one to go up. Okay. Okay. I will change the signs to multiply by negative 3. Then I will start to try. Outer and inner. Outer is 1 and negative 6. So negative 6. And inner is 1 and 5 plus 5 will give me negative 1. What is the goal that we want to reach is negative 7. The middle term is negative 7. Okay, Tala? We want to reach negative 7. So here is negative 1. Okay, so we will not use this one. Okay, outer here, I have outer 1 and 6. 1 multiply 6 is 6. Inner is 5 and negative 1 will give me negative 5, so it will be 1. So I will not use this one. Outer here is 1 and negative 1, so it will be negative 1. Inner is 30. I will not waste my time. Of course, 30 will not give me negative 7. And this one also, I will not waste my time. You know why, Tala? Because outer is 1 and inner is 30, so I will not waste my time and do it. Okay, Tala? Okay.
Okay.
So let me check this one. Outer is what? 1 multiplied by 3 is 3.
3.
Inner is 5 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 10. 3 minus 10 is negative
7. Negative 7.
Yeah, so here I got it. Here I got the middle term that I want, which is negative 7. So here is the package that I will use, or the group that I will use. 1 and 5 and negative 2 and 3. Okay? So if I want to write here the factors. Okay. What are the variables used here? Y. So I will write Y here and Y here. Okay. What I will write here next to the first Y?
1.
1. And next to the second Y?
Negative 2.
No. Factors of 5. Don't forget.
Oh, 5.
5. Yes. Coefficients of 5 are in the first group here. Okay. Next here. What I'm going to write here?
Negative 2.
Yes. Excellent. And here I'm going to write?
3.
Yes. Positive 3. Yes. Excellent. So here, let me make it like this. Since it is 1, so I will erase it. So here I got the final factor. Y minus 2 and 5y plus 3. Okay, Tala?
Okay.
Yes, our lesson is over now. Thank you so much for interacting, Tala. Thank you so much. And see you tomorrow. Okay? Okay, thank you. Goodbye.